Hey guys, welcome back to Rod's Smoking Stuff. Today we're going to make some cheesy smoked potatoes on the smoker. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's a delicious side dish. You'll want to stick around for this one. Alright guys, we're going to start out with 2 diced up bell peppers. Alright guys, that was a big bell pepper, so I'm just going to do the one because it looks like plenty to me for what we're doing. Smaller ones, like this size, you'll want 2 that size. That's going to constitute as 2 because it's big. I like using a sweet onion. You can use whatever you like. This is what I like to use. Alright guys, smoked beef sausage going in there. Alright, we're putting all this in my makeshift pan. Usually I just use the one that was already made, but I had too big a pan, so I had to cut this piece off, make it all fit. Then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stir this up a bit. I'm gonna put just a little bit of olive oil on there. We'll take these out on the smoker. We're going to roast these vegetables before we mix the rest of our potato mixture up. I'm going to get these out on the smoker, get these softened up, and we'll be back to mix up our potatoes. Alright guys, I've got some ribs on here I'm cooking for tonight. This side dish is going to go with it. So I'm just going to put these on here. I'm going to get them cooked up. We'll probably let them go for an hour or so and then we'll come check on them. Alright guys, we're going to start out with 1 cup or 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. We got some nacho cheese sauce we're going to throw in here. It'll come out. You can also use cheddar cheese soup, but my local grocery store didn't have any, so they did have this, so I'm substituting it. I have used it before and I do like it. Then we're going to come in here with about 1/2 cup of sour cream. Probably about good, maybe a little more. Then we need 3 tablespoons of our ranch seasoning, or if you have the packet, you can just put 1 packet in because that's equal to that. And put 1 cup of cheese, this is 1.5 cups. We're just going to go with the whole thing. Usually I put 1, but we're just going to use the whole package. I'm going to grab our spatula, get that mixed all happy together. Alright, got our bag of potatoes here. Put those in there. I'm just going to stir them all together. Get them all happy and coated with our cheese sauce. Then we just gotta wait for our peppers and onions to get done. We'll put this in the fridge while we're waiting. We'll give it one last stir once we put the peppers and onions all together. And sausage. And we'll get this out on the smoker. So. Alright guys, we'll check on our veggies here. Looks like they're about there. We're going to give them a quick stir. Let them go for probably another 20-30 minutes. And they'll be good to go in our potatoes. Alright guys, we got our veggies done. They're going in our potatoes. I'm just going to give those a quick stir. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, we'll put it back in our pan here. Spread these out. Just like so. Okay, then these will just go on the smoker for about 2.5 to 3 hours. All they got to do really is warm up, but depends on what temperature you warm them up at. My smoker with the ribs and stuff in there's at 250, so it'll probably take about 2.5 hours. We'll get them on 2.5 hours before we're ready to eat. Alright guys, we got our potatoes on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cover these up now because they've smoked for about an hour. And let them finish smoking with them covered so that they don't dry out too much. Alright guys, I think our potatoes are done. Check these out. Look at that. They look good. Oh yeah, that cheesy goodness. Look at that. I'm gonna have to try these on camera, and I didn't bring a fork out with me, so we're just gonna use these tongs I have. See how these are. I'll bet they're hot. Oh yeah, guy, I'd do that again. And there's some good spuds. Those are excellent. Dang, that's a good side dish to go with your ribs that we're going to be eating here in a few minutes. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.